Captain Redbeard was feared across the seas, but nothing scared his crew more than his monstrous sneezes. Each time they neared a hidden treasure, Redbeard would sniffle, twitch, and let out a thunderous sneeze that echoed over the waves. Once, his sneeze blew the treasure map into a flock of gulls. Another time, it set off a trap, sending coconuts raining down. The crew tried everything: peppermint, clothespins, even seaweed in his nose, but nothing worked. In the end, Redbeard found treasure only in laughter, for his sneezes made every hunt unforgettable.